Hi, I'm Akhil Sachi, and I'm final year film student from Annapurna College of Film and Media in Hyderabad. I'm from Kerala, and first of all, let me thank you, this 10th edition of Dada Sahib Phalke Film Festival, for selecting our film Devor for short film category. And first of all, let me give you a message that stay home, stay safe, everyone. Even we're still in the lockdown process, so we are in such a crisis, and I hope we get through this. So let's move on to the questionnaire from here. So hi to everyone, and second thing you said, how did you come up with this idea? So this idea is all about within the family, the crisis, and what I'm majorly focusing about is this partiality within the gender crisis. So this happens still in India, in fact, even some portion of the world, even within the married couples. So I just want to clear this out, in fact. So that's the major idea in within that. And the major challenges which we faced is the time shortage or within the shooting. And we had a very less schedule. We shot this entire film in 2 days, in fact. And that's all. So day and night we are hustling around. So that's what filmmaking is about, right? So how the financial? So financial is like, we had resources. Thankfully, we had friends, we had families, and they actually were so generous that to give their time, their give their sources with their technical stuff and technical crews. And because of that sources, we actually got down reduced the budget less than a 5K, which we did it. So that was very low budget, which we did. So that was a major challenge. And how this film is came out, which is absolutely fantastic, which I have to say, because what I envisioned is came better than that, because that's what the filmmaking is about. You have to make it better. Whatever items, whatever materials you are getting, you have to achieve through that, even through the circumstances, even through the crisis, even through the challenges which you are going through. So, as from a team and from me and even for actors, everyone were happy that how this film is came out. That's all. So, how this promotion and the distribution for plans for the film? Well, I haven't promote this film that much yet, because first we were showing this film to our family, our friends within a circle. Let them watch first. Once we get through this, and once we have this kind of results from the film festivals and all, then we can go for a promotion. So that's what our idea is. So we have to promote to the mature audience. That's what we are targeting, because the content is basically on that. So that's our audience also. So why this audience has to watch our film? Because that's the major part. So I have to get this clear idea on the gender crisis, which still happening within a couple newly couple married, and that's the major part actually, and it still happens in some area. It's not even in the modern times. So let's just get this fact straight, that even masculinity and feminine are both has to be equal. So this is my major emotion, major motive, which I have to say through the film. And don't mess with the feminine, because we are strong, because of our movement in our society. So thanks to them. So my message to the 10th edition of this Dal Sahib Phalke Film Festival is that all the best for the newcomer filmmakers, and all the best for their films in the list. And first of all, thank you to our committee for selecting our film into this edition, and we are so grateful to that. And more than that, in this crisis, in these times, more than being ungrateful, so let's be grateful to the doctors and everyone who's fighting for us, for fighting for their life for us. So let's thank them first, actually, in fact. And in this crisis, let's be all been together. Let's be all been safe. Take care, and that's what matters. And let's take care of each other, and let's rock this. Actually, in fact, come on, guys. We have to do it this in together, right? So be safe. Thank you. Namaste. Namaskaram.